and easy dip to make for all of your parties. You're going to love it. First step is to get a casserole dish and spray it with some baker's spray. Set that aside. In a medium bowl, combine 16 ounces of cream cheese, or 2 packages, with 1 cup mayonnaise. And you want your cream cheese to be softened. Mix this well by hand. Now add in half of your crumbled bacon, reserving the rest for the top. 4 ounces of chopped jalapenos, 1 4-ounce can of chopped chilies, green chilies, drained. Next we add our cheeses. I'm using 3/4 of a cup of mozzarella, 1 cup of a Mexican blend of cheese. I'm actually using a creamy melt triple cheddar cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And now just fold this together. Just fold that over. I love this spicy jalapeno popper dip. I hope you'll try it and enjoy it as well. And let's transfer this to our prepared casserole dish. And we're going to top it with a mixture of Panko breadcrumbs, butter, and Parmesan cheese. We're going to blend 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/3 cup of Panko breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. Let's sprinkle the rest of our bacon, Parmesan cheese, and Panko mixture. I use my fingers and just kind of spread those crumbs around and make sure all that cream cheese is covered. In the oven, this goes at 350 degrees for 25 minutes until it's nice and bubbly.